And let's keep our red holes in front of us. Or you can think of these circles on the sheet. They're exactly the same as a red hole. Okay, so what number is our denominator? If we have 4 pieces.
4.
That's right. And we're going to show 3 of those 4 pieces, so we're going to take 1 piece away. And then we'll have 3 out of 4 pieces. Now, how can we record that onto the sheet?
3 out of 4.
Yep, so how can we draw that? You can see it right here. Can I draw this picture on the circle? So I could divide my piece. Does everyone have a pencil? Can I steal these pencils?
Sure.
I didn't even think to ask you if you had pencils. I'm sorry about that.
Like this?
Can I see? Are there 4 pieces?
No.
Let's make sure we have 4 pieces. Good job. Now Kalina shaded 3 of her pieces to show 3/4. That's good. And there's a line above it, so how can we write 3/4?
Our 3 is our numerator, right?
3 is our numerator. And remember, we have a fraction bar that separates them.
So our 3 has to go
On
above
top.
the fraction bar. Our 4 pieces goes below.
Yep, that's right. Are you doing okay, Megan? Do you have all your pieces? Okay, good job. So let's talk about another one. Who has another fraction they'd like to try and record onto our recording sheet? No one? That's okay. I have some fractions right here. Let's try 5/6. So we find the piece that has 6 pieces. We have the color that has 6 pieces. And you can use those pieces to keep going too. You can draw one piece and then another piece. You can trace them. I think that's easier sometimes. And 5, so 6 is our number on bottom, right? 6 is our denominator. So we're going to write 6 below the fraction bar. And then we're going to shade 5 of them for our numerator. Does everyone have that done? All right, good job. Let's try 2/3. So we're going to find the piece that has 3. We're going to find the color that has 3 pieces. and we're going to shade 2 of them. You guys are catching on pretty well. All right. So now we're going to try it by ourselves. I'm not going to help you at all. Okay, so we have 5 more circles on there, you see. They're all blank. I'm going to say some fractions out loud, and you're going to record both the fraction. Remember to write the numerator and the denominator, and you're going to draw the picture and shade in the numerator. Does that make sense? And if you need help, I'm right here to help you. Okay, if you don't understand the directions, and I can repeat these if necessary. 1/3 will be the first fraction. Two fourths. Now let's try 2/6. All right, it's almost time to move on to reading, so we aren't going to do the rest of the circles, okay? I think that's good enough for today. So how'd you like recording the fractions? Was it fun? Is it something we should do again?
Maybe we could use colors.
Okay, I like that suggestion. All right, so what did we learn about fractions today? Does anyone know? Did we talk about something that goes above the fraction bar?
The numerator.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
And what goes below the fraction bar?
I don't know.
That's right. And what is the numerator? What does the numerator tell us?
How many pieces that we have?
That's right, that's right. That's what the numerator tells us. And what does the denominator tell us?
How many pieces are total?
Yep, that's right. And can we have part of a whole? We can show parts of a whole, right? Or a fraction can show part of a set. All right, tonight when you go home, see if you can find fractions at your house. Do you have a collection of something like marbles or crayons? You might be able to find a fraction there. Or maybe you cut your sandwich in half for supper. All right. What fractions can you find?
How many Barbies have blonde hair? How many toys my sister stole in her room? I have all the toys that are mine.
That's it.
Yeah. That's what I was motioning to. You nodded.